What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on. And hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1M, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, and Dog Pound Exotic Pups. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. I got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face. Make sure you're doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything. So let's get this thing started. All right, we back at it again. We back at it with the gems. We back at it to let you win. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the $50,000 no-doc U.S. bank loan. All right, you can get you a U.S. bank $50,000 business loan with no proof of docs, no proof of income, nothing. All you got to do is follow these steps that I'm going to give you in this video and make sure you follow them correctly. All right, a lot of people would be fast forwarding the video just to hear me talk about the money and where to go. You gotta listen to the whole videos because I'm telling you how to get approved so you have a better chance of getting approved, because a lot of people just, I don't get why y'all don't want to hear instructions. Like, a lot of people buy things that come with instructions. Y'all don't read instructions. Y'all try to put things together, then it don't work. And the instructions is right there. Y'all think y'all can do stuff without following instructions, and it never happens. So with that being said, follow the instructions that I give you because it's clearly not fake. I'm not the one telling these banks to say, hey, put this $50,000 loan and put this information on the site so it can look good for the people when I make this video and they come. No, these are their loans, their rules, and I'm telling you how to get approved by their rules. If you don't feel like, or being lazy and don't want to put in that work, or feel like it's too hard, then maybe it's not for you to get some money. But for the people out there that's ready to elevate, for the people out there that's ready to grow, for the people out there that's ready to get this money, let's go. All right, so first thing you need to do is understanding this. When it comes to any type of loans, personal or business, they're going to be checking your credit, point blank period, right? Because they need to make sure your DTI isn't too high. They want to make sure you're going to be able to pay back this money, right? Your debt to income, they want to make sure that, hey, we give you a $20,000 loan and can you still pay your bills and pay this loan back and live life without having any problems, all right? So, and they also want to see how good are you paying back the debt on your credit. So that's how a credit score is built. That's what's going on. So you want to finesse that. And how do you finesse that? Easy. No problem. All you got to do is add trade lines. Once you add trade lines to your personal credit, you want to make sure you add at least a $5,000 to $20,000 credit card AU to your personal credit. Because once you do and you add those trade lines, it's going to reflect on your personal when you use it's going to reflect on your business when you use yourself as a personal guarantor. So if you got a $5,000 to $20,000 credit card in your personal and you use yourself as a personal guarantor in your business, you're going to be able to get a $5,000 to $20,000 credit card on your business that fast. So with that being said, make sure that you got you an experience account so you can know where your credit stands, know the debt and everything. Make sure you add in trade lines. You can go to creditstrong.com and add $42,500 worth of trade lines. You can go to Credit Magnum and add $30,000. So that's what, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70,000 right there. You good to go. So add those trade lines. Add those trade lines. Once you add those trade lines, go to a U.S. bank and open up a business bank account with your LLC and your EIN number if you don't have a U.S. bank account. Once you open up that bank account, make regular deposits into that business bank account, checking in savings, and wait 45 days. Once you wait 45 days, they're going to give you the play. They're going to give you $50,000 as long as you report them trade lines on your personal credit. And it's business credit trade lines too that you can even add on your LLC EIN number to even give you a better boost. Credit Strong got them. Net 30s will help you out. Those are business trade lines. And you will get the bag. You don't have to have $50,000 in your business bank account to be able to get $50,000 loan. Point blank period. It's business. They know you need money, so they're going to lend it to you so you can make some money and pay them back and keep going. All right, so without further ado, let's check out the U.S. Bank $50,000 business loan, no income, no docs, just stated income. Make sure you got you've been a member for at least 45 days before you walk in there and apply for a bank, and you'll be good to go. All right. So without further ado, let's check out U.S. Bank $50,000 business no doc loan. All right. So today we're gonna be talking about the U.S. Bank $50,000 business no doc loan. All right. So you're gonna go to their website. All right. USBank.com. Once you do, you're gonna go to click on business. Once you click on business, you're gonna have to explore the business banking, business account, bank accounts, credit cards, loans, lines of credit, service payment. You'll click on the loans and lines of credit. Boom. You're gonna click on the loans. Boom. So once you do that, all right, so prepare for the unexpected. Find the financing that meets your bank business needs. All right, discover the right business loan. U.S. Bank business loans options can be used over to cover operating expenses, maintain inventory, pay vendors, and more. Backed by the strength and the stability of the U.S. Bank, our business loans offered at you at competitive rates, flexible terms, and guidance from the business banker. All right, so they got the quick loan with an online application up to $250,000 fixed rates. And they got the business term loan, conventional financing secured by business assets, fixed interest rates. Then they got the owner occupied or investment property, which means you can buy you real estate with this loan right here and start investing, start flipping, start doing the things that you need to start making money in real estate. They got the government backed loan, so the Small Business Administration, the SBA loans, up to $12.375 million, faster loan process as part of the SBA program, preferred SBA lender. Then they got the essential business asset financing up to $1 million. Then y'all thought it was over, but it's not. The PPP loan forgiveness. The PPP loan borrowers must meet certain requirements. Customer assistance is available. All right, so understand the key facts of the business loan. One-time payment of funds. Interest rates are typically lower than a line of credit. Interest is paid in full amount. Repayment is fixed monthly payment. May have a prepayment fee, which means if you pay it off before the term, you might be a fee. All right. Fixed repayment timeline. All right. So getting the help finding a business loan lending option. So you scroll down and say what type of loan you might be right for your business, leverage, credit to plug gaps into your business cash flow, what type of business financing could be right for you. And it just goes down to all the things like that. All right, so we're gonna click on the quick loan with an online application. Click on that. That's the one we're gonna be going to. Exit up out of that. So grow your business faster with a rate as low as 8.49%. All right, get loans. Quick loan details. A business quick loan can be used for general purposes, equipment, or purchasing new and used vehicles to help your business grow and thrive. All right, so interest rates as low as 8.49 with a loan term is 49 to 60 months and auto pay from a U.S. bank account. So you got that bank account, just make sure there's money in there. They're going to take it out. Don't even need to even think about it. Loan amounts from $5,000 to $250,000, $250,000, competitive fixed rates, interest rates, and monthly payments, flexible terms up to 84 months. SBA financing available, secured and unsecured options available. Easily manage your loan through online banking, 0%, $0 origination fee. All right, so the secure quick loan, a secure business quick loan uses your business assets as collateral and offers loan amounts up to $250,000 and lower interest rates. Unsecured quick loan, an unsecured business quick loan does not use collateral and offers loan amounts up to $50,000 and higher interest rates. All right, so you use your own money, you borrow against your own money, you're gonna have lower interest rates. If you use their money, then it's going to be higher interest rates. All right, so apply online for a business loan. We'll guide you through the few sections, and you can save your application at any time to return it later. So you got to worry about that, and it just breaks down right here. Have your business and personal information ready, including tax ID number and gross annual sales information, and let's get started so that you can make your own documents. But really no documents. As long as you gotta wait 45 days, they ain't gonna even ask for that, because I know a couple people who got that and they didn't ask for it. That's just to make it look good. So 45 days, wait 45 days. Make sure you're making regular deposits into the checking and savings. You'll be good. Make your own little documents. You'll be good. All right, so without further ado, let's talk about the U.S. Bank $50,000 no doc loan. All right, do you guys got the U.S. Bank $50,000 no doc loan? All right, Make sure you follow those steps that I gave you in the beginning of the video, because if you follow those steps, you will have a great chance of getting approved for this loan, and you will have a great chance of getting approved for future loans, credit cards, and lines of credit, because everybody wants this some type of play to get some money. Well, learn something so you can give yourself the opportunity to make your own plays. Easy as that, all right? Don't be somebody that's out there looking for a handout, looking for somebody to do something for them, or looking for those 1, 2, 3 steps to make you some money, because it's never going to happen. And just kick in and wake up to earth and understand that you got to figure out something by yourself. Even if you got to invest into yourself and learn something, you just got to do it yourself. All right, so shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, subscribers, new and old. Without y'all, there'd be no me. You'll motivate me to keep going. You'll motivate me to keep dropping the sauce. And you'll motivate me to keep y'all entertained. All right, so anybody out there that's ready to enter the world of financial freedom, you ready to get your FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems, tap in right now before prices go back to regular prices. Price right now is $600, but regular price is $1,200. I am doing a 50% discount, so do not miss out on this opportunity. In the FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems, you will learn everything that you need to know to start making some passive income, start cleaning your credit, getting loans, credit cards, lines of credit. So with that being said, you will get the 8 instant cash out methods, 2 free live cards, the New Age Credit Repair Handbook, how to clean and repair your personal credit, how to leverage your personal credit towards your business credit, how to establish your business credit, how to get loans, credit cards, lines of credit, CPN package, how to make passive income, how to make $50,000 a month all profit, how to make $1,000 a day all profit, introduction to the dark web. So much information in this FaceTime 101. All right, you're going to get I'm going to teach you how to do the Cashapp method, all that. All right, so much information in this FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems. Do not miss out on it. Also, if you want to get your in-person Unlimited Gems, tap in right now to the crypto tour, right? $4,500 in-state, $5,500 out-of-state, and you have to pay for my flight and my hotel. So if you're out-of-state and you want me to come to you, you have to pay $5,500. You have to pay for my flight and my hotel, $500 deposit. The rest of the money will meet when I get there. If you come in-state to me, wherever I'm at, it's going to be $4,500, $500 deposit. The rest of the money when you get there, you'll get everything that you need to know in the that you will get in the FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems, but it's going to be hands-on. I'm going to actually show and teach you physically how to do it, and you're going to get a little bit more information that, the people on the FaceTime 101s wouldn't get. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in with the crypto tour. Once you drop your deposit, you will receive your World Tour t-shirt. I will ship that out, and we're going to go from there. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in on the FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems and those in-person Unlimited Gems. All right, you don't want to miss out. Start making this cash. Also, anybody out there looking to get these methods, get these sites, get this financial freedom game, get the methods, all that, tap into my Telegram right now, Wealth and Riches. Link is in my community post, and all the links in my description on every video. All right, so once you click the title and all my links pop up, my Telegram is down there, Wealth and Riches, and in my community post, Wealth and Riches. All right, so on the menu, we got the World Tour t-shirt, 1 method and 1 free live card, $200. For $320, you get the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 free live cards. For $600, you can get for $500, you can get the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 physical cards. For $600, you get the FaceTime 101 Unlimited Gems. That's included with the 8 instant cash out methods, the New Age Credit Repair Handbook, all the sauce. And for $800, you can get the 8 instant cash out methods plus 2 high limit cards in the lessons. All right, so you can't beat that. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Come learn how to make this money. Come get a bag like everybody else been getting a bag. And let's keep it going. All right, it's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how I get down to the end of these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Still, the production company. I'm looking for people for the production company. All right, got major funding. Got approved for major funding, over $1 million. All right, so I'm looking for people to grow, win, and build, and make more millions with. All right, so I'm looking for actors, rappers, singers, models, producers, cameraman. All right, so you a rapper, a singer, you got music videos, you got views, you got a fan base. Tap in, let me see what you got. Come get your chain, come get your watch, and start making some money. All right, music reviews is $100. So once you pay, I'm gonna check you out. We're gonna have a good conversation, and we're gonna see if you fit the team. All right. Also, I'm looking for models out there. Any beautiful ladies, younger, older, doesn't matter. As long as you got a good head on your shoulders and you're ready to work, you're ready to learn and grow. Let's get it in. All right. I'm here to guide and provide you to success and to all the areas and all the positions that no one else has taken the time out to do, because everybody has a niche, everybody has some type of talent, everybody has some type of star potential. So, like I said, any beautiful ladies out there, younger, older, tap in, let's win, let's get to work. We're going to do skits, blogs, interaction with the fans, music videos, movies. We're gonna be doing so much that you gotta understand. You can't just focus on one thing. You gotta give yourself different opportunities to do what you want to do, because you might want to be a rapper, but you might start a podcast. That podcast might blow, and then now your music gonna blow because you got a whole new fan base that just loves everything that you do. You got to give yourself more opportunities. All right, so tap in, all my beautiful ladies out there around the world, younger, older, it doesn't matter. Let's win, let's eat, let's grow. Let's get it in, all right? Also, any cameraman or women out there, you ready to hold a camera? You know how to hold a camera, you know how to work a camera, or are you ready to learn? All I needed you to do is hold the camera, know how to work the settings, the stabilizer, and let's get this content, all right? Content equals views, views equal money, all right? Easy as that. So you can surrounding areas, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Houston, Texas, Phoenix, Arizona, or can travel. Let's work, let's get it in, and let's get this money, all right? Also doing giveaways. Still doing the giveaway with the come get y'all World Tour t-shirts. Y'all see what it say down there, all right? Real good fabric, real thick fabric, you know what I'm saying? Get the tag. You know what I mean? We still doing the shoes. I still got the Jordan, so make sure y'all tapping in this Saturday. I am dropping a new mixtape, back talking, all right? I'm dropping videos and all that, so if you're not subscribed, go subscribe right now. Hit the all notification bell so when I drop these videos and this mixtape, you'll be hip. So when I get to doing these giveaways and you can't answer no questions or nothing, you ain't gonna win nothing. All right. So all my real loyal fans, my real King Hussle fans, my real Hussle Nation Empire fans, make sure you subscribe to King Hussle X1M. That's my music channel. Music mixtape drops Saturday. Music videos coming, and we finna get it in. All right. It's your boy King Hussle. Y'all know how I get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next. Peace. Come get y'all shirts, man.